Welcome to online classes. I'll start the explanation from the story A Bottle of Dew. Start from book. Ramanatha was the son of a rich landlord. His father left him large tracts of land when he died. Explanation 1. Ramanatha was the son of a wealthy landlord. His father left him large area of land when he died. Explanation 2. Ramanatha was the son of a affluent landlord. His father left him vast area of land when he died. Explanation 3. Ramanatha was the son of a well-heeled landlord. His father left a huge area of land for him when he died. Now from book. But Ramanatha did not spend even one day looking after his land. Ramanatha, explanation 1. Ramanatha did not disburse even one day taking care of his land. Explanation 2. But Ramanatha did not contribute even one day taking charge of his land. Explanation 3. But Ramanatha did not invest even one day keeping an eye on his land. Now from book. This was because he had a funny idea that there was a magic potion which, if touched to any object, would turn it into gold. Explanation 1. This was as he had an absurd idea that there was a magic mixture which, if touched to any object, would turn it into gold. Explanation 2. This was as because he had a laughable idea that there was a magic powder, if touched the object, would change it into gold. Explanation 3. Ramanatha did not looking after his land because he had a comical idea that there was a magic elixir, if touched to any object, would alter it into gold. Explanation from the book. Here he spent all his time trying to learn about this potion. Here is the explanation of this sentence. Without carrying his huge land, he engaged himself all his time to learn more and more about the magical mixture, either in liquid or in powder form. Explanation 2. He did not spend his time to look after his land. He always deputed himself about potion. He was trying to study more about the magic powder or magic potion. Explanation 3. He did not depute himself for his huge land which was left by his father after his death. He always interested in magic potion. He deputed himself to study more about this magic concept. Now from book. People cheated him often, promising to tell him about it, but he did not give up. Sometimes people cheated him. They promised that they would tell him about this potion, but they never came back and he did not back up. Explanation 2. Frequently the people cheated him. They never told him about the potion, only giving him the hope. He did not discard. Explanation 3. Usually the people cheated him. They were promising him that they would tell about the magical mixture, but they never came back. Till then he did not lay off. It is the third lecture of the story.